Welcome. In this video I will show you how to use Find My Ring feature in your Zip app with your Helio Ring. So first of all, in the Zip application, go to the device menu, make sure that your ring is paired with your smartphone. And now whenever you want to locate your ring anywhere, just select Find Device. This will enable the green light on your Helio Ring, which will start glowing very brightly, which will help you locate the ring. And once you locate it, tap Cancel, and then the green light will stop flashing unless sensors are measuring something at this moment. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.